ML tends to be really good at like prediction type problems, but they're all built around this idea of, is this set of parameters better at predicting than this other set of parameters? The MMM world, that's not what we're trying to do.
ML. So there's a lot of these people, Mike sort of maybe mentioned this, that they take, Robin or some kind of open source MMM sort of model, they wrap it up, they layer on some AI, repackage it up and sell it as a tool, right? So you're saying that putting ML or AI on top as a badge is kind of meaningless in this regard.
It's very meaningless in this regard. ML tends to be really good at like prediction type problems. It's like in chess, like what's the next best move to make? What move are they going to do after that? And then what would we do after that? Like that
based on retrospective learning, right?
Right, but the goal is to predict. Right. The goal is to predict. The goal, is to like predict, is this customer, when they land on your website, are they going to convert or not? And then we're going to do something. And there's a whole bunch of tools that are built for doing that, but they're all built around this idea of, is this set of parameters better at predicting than this other set of parameters? And that's like what they're very focused on. The MMM world, that's not what we're trying to do. What we're trying to do is we're trying to know, if I were to make a change to the amount of Facebook spend, then what would happen? Which is sort of a prediction problem, but it's not the same type of prediction problem of someone lands on a page and are they likely to convert or not? And so a lot of the people who are like, oh, we'll just use ML for doing the MMM thing, they aren't thinking really hard about the inference problem, like the underlying econometrics. And they're really just like, oh yeah, we'll make it so that it predicts really well. We could make a model that predicts revenue much better than the model that we currently use. It would be trivial. Like it would not be hard at all to do. We would just use some off-the-shelf machine learning model and it would have more predictive accuracy. Unfortunately, it would not give us correct inferences, which are the things that we actually care about solving for. And where inferences are the thing of, if we were to spend an extra $1,000 on Facebook, how many additional customers would we drive? ML is really good at like picking up correlations, right? That's what it's designed to do, is it's designed to find correlations. The ML model doesn't care if it's causation or correlation, right? Because it's like, oh, well, there's something here, right? It might be correlated with the true cause, or it might be the true cause itself. The ML model doesn't care. But for an MMM, we care if it's correlation or causation. And so that's like the thing that a lot of people who are like, oh yeah, we'll just, pick the version of Robin that has the best prediction. It's like, that's not actually solving the right problem.